The Shark AV1010AE IQ Robot Vacuum is a cutting-edge cleaning solution for your home. Its standout features include an XL self-empty base, ensuring that you don't have to worry about constantly emptying the dustbin. This robot vacuum is bagless, which means no need for disposable bags, saving you money and reducing waste. With an impressive 45-day capacity, this vacuum can autonomously clean your home for a long time before needing attention. Its advanced navigation system allows it to maneuver around your home efficiently, reaching every nook and cranny. You can integrate it into your smart home ecosystem as it's compatible with Alexa and Wi-Fi, giving you the convenience of voice control and remote operation. The multi-surface brush roll makes it suitable for various floor types, from carpets to hard floors. Designed with pet owners in mind, it excels at tackling pet dander and dust, keeping your home clean and fresh. The black finish adds a sleek and modern touch to your home decor. Overall, the Shark AV1010AE IQ Robot Vacuum is a high-tech, efficient, and pet-friendly cleaning companion for your home.